Hi guys. Today we're going to be trying a different method of making fried rice, and this is a method that comes from Nigeria, and I'm going to be following Fantastic Four's method today. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. We're going to be using peppers, habanero peppers, jalapeno, forgotten the name of this one, but this is pretty spicy. Bouillon cubes, these are from Nigeria. I don't know if you can find them in the regular markets, but this one is from Nigeria. I have some curry, I have some thyme, cayenne pepper, salt, coconut oil and butter, Mexican onions, and then I have a couple of spices here ranging from curry, ginger, garlic, hot paprika, not regular paprika, and turmeric. I have some mixed vegetables and some brown rice. In her stuff, she actually soaked the rice in hot water. So this is soaking in hot water. And then this is the pot that I'm going to use. I'm going to actually do follow two methods because I learned about this new system whereby if you don't want to really spend so much time at the cooker, the stove, turning and cooking, you can kind of let it bake using a Dutch oven. You put the stuff in, you cover it and let it kind of steam cook. I used that for jollof rice the other day and it was perfect. So I'm going to try that here. With that, I'm going to divide the rice into two. Try this with a Dutch oven, letting it steam cook, and then use her method directly. Now, if you look at Fantastic Four's recipe and her video, you're going to notice that there are a couple of things that are going to be missing here. First thing is that there isn't any meat or shrimp, and the reason for that is because yesterday I ate quite a bit of meat. I just don't feel comfortable eating more meat this week, so I'm kind of taking a break from meat this week. Next week might be a different story altogether. So that's the story with the meat. Second thing is I'm going to probably cut down the amount of salt because I don't eat that much salt for personal reasons. I found out that anytime I use bouillon cubes to cook and spices, I feel that there is really no need to put extra salt. So I just generally put a little pinch of salt, or don't even put any salt at all when I cook. But I'll use salt today because we're trying to follow her method. So beyond that, everything else is generally the same. And I'm going to come back, let you know, how the taste came out, whether the taste was great, whether there was a mistake somewhere, and which method was better, baking it openly with a pan or using a Dutch oven and kind of steam cooking it. And this Dutch oven was pretty inexpensive. I got it from Walmart, the cheapest brand, and it works. And it can take up to 300, I think up to 350 degrees. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so we're done. All right, to the right, this one is the one in which I used the Dutch oven and kind of steam baked it in the oven, and this is the one in which I use Fantastic Four's method. The Dutch oven one cooked so much faster. Everything was nice and it's cooked. This one was still cooking and I'm like, I'm tired. I need to. The one on the left, which is Fantastic Four method, was still cooking and I'm just like, you know what, I'm done with this stuff. I want to go and sleep. So this is a very lengthy process. You really have to put down the time and say, I'm going to use this method. But if you're someone like me that really doesn't want to spend so much time in the kitchen, I recommend going with the Dutch oven and kind of steam cooking things. Now, in terms of taste, I found that Fantastic Four's method, whereby the rice is baked, it seems to be tastier than the one in which it's steam cooked. But then I don't know why that is. Maybe because it's still the same ingredient, but I don't know what it is. But this is like, it's Fantastic Four's own. It's a little bit tastier than the steam cook method. The steam cook method, it tastes like fried rice, but it seems as if there's still something a little lacking somewhere. I don't know what to explain. Yeah. So, couple of things. Fantastic Four, I think she used about 4 bouillon cubes cooking. I used only one because I told you I calculate salt. I used less salt than she did, as I mentioned previously. And when you're measuring the cups of water to use, make sure that you use something that actually literally says 1 cup. So there was a little mistake I made over there. But beyond this was a great experiment. I really enjoyed it. Till next time. Bye.